I'm Oleg, I'm from Lithuania, and I will tell you about Alexas Pašilis invented thermal generator. In order to explain Alexas Pašilis invented thermal generator working principle, we will take a simple magnet and show you that it doesn't attract any non-ferrous metals like aluminum and copper. Here we can see that magnet does not attract aluminum. And here we have copper, which is not attracted to the magnet. As you can see, that the magnet proximate to the aluminum plate doesn't attract also. But what will happen if we move the magnet?
Why?
As you can see, we can move the plate while we move the magnet. When the magnet approaches the aluminum plate, with its changing magnetic field in the plate, it creates the current in clockwise direction. When the magnet moves outward the plate, the current changes its direction. These current loops create a magnetic field, which interacts with the magnetic field of the magnet. While the magnet approaches the plate, the current is created to one direction, which creates the magnetic field with the same pole as the magnet. That's why when we move the magnet towards the plate is being pushed. When we remove the magnet from the plate, the current changes direction. Therefore, magnetic field changes its pole, which is opposite relatively to the magnet. That's why when we remove the magnet, the plate is being attracted. Here on the table you can see a magnet, a steel cylinder of the same size, an aluminum pipe wider than these cylinders. So now I will show you another phenomenon. Here the magnet will fall slower inside the pipe rather than the steel cylinder. So now I will show you the cylinder falling time. You can see that the cylinder falls very fast. Now I will show you the falling of the magnet. As you can see, the magnet falls slower, much slower, almost impossibly slower. The same we can show with a copper pipe. We have a steel cylinder, it falls very fast. Now we put a magnet inside. So you see that it takes a significant time. If we sprinkle a pinch of ferromagnetic dust on the pipe while we have the magnet inside, we actually may see how the magnet moves along the pipe. If we put an iron pipe on top of the aluminum pipe and we put the magnet inside, the iron pipe will close the magnetic loop and the effect will be increased. As soon as we put effort into moving the magnet, the changing magnetic field induces a current in aluminum. the consequences of which the heat is created. Lithuanian inventor Aleksas Pašilis manufactured a steel rotor and glued an array of magnets readily. Afterwards, he has inserted the rotor inside steel pipe, and while spinning, he got a significant amount of heat.
Yeah!